You guys, have you ever watched a really good video? And I mean a damn good video. Editing is on point, voice is on point. You can hear the person's voice, you can hear the message. Background is on point as well, you know, and they're saying whatever they got to say. They doing whatever they got to do on their own channel, and editing, everything is just perfect except for one small thing. Am I hearing arguing in the background? Anywho, except for one small thing. Beep, beep, beep. Really? You know, almost every video, and I mean almost every video that I have seen on YouTube, I always hear that beeping sound in the background. And I'm just like, no shade, you guys, no shade at all, but it's like y'all put so much time and effort in making your videos, but yet y'all can't put any form of time into changing that one small, simple thing. One small thing that could help, that can really help with your home, so it won't be a freaking hazard. We don't want to see smoke coming out of your video, while you're making a video. We don't want to see smoke in the background, and then it's really starting to beep. Beep, 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 beep. No, 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 no. You guys, do you see this? I mean, do you really see this? This is a 9-volt battery. Can't even keep a straight face. This is a 9-volt battery. And what you do with this is that you go to your smoke detector. You get a stepping stool or a very sturdy ass chair. You get on that stepping stool or chair. You pop that smoke detector. I'm sorry, you guys. Smoke detector open. You take the old 9-volt battery out and you replace it. You replace this fucking battery, you guys. How hard is it to do that? I mean, oh my gosh. Is this a YouTube thing that almost every video that I have seen, I hear that beeping sound from the smoke detector? I mean, really? It's funny. It's amusing. And I'm just like, okay, you know what? Enough is enough. Someone needs to bring this to all of y'all's attention. Oh. So, with that being said, I'm going to do a mini contest. Whoever needs a 9-volt battery for your house, because I already got mine replaced. Thank God for the apartment complex I live in. They replaced mine. I didn't even have to buy these. But whoever needs a 9-volt battery, right here. And I have another one here too. Woohoo! Just say 9-volt in the comments down below. 9-volt. 9-volt. For the ones, you know what? Rule. One rule. You gotta be a person who makes videos and admits to having that annoying beeping sound in the background of your videos. Beep. Knowing damn well y'all need to change that 9-volt battery. So, if you post 9-volt in the comments down below, I will gladly, the first 2 comments that post 9-volt, okay, 9-volt, will get this right here and this right here. Okay? I'm not endorsing that. So, yeah. And if y'all don't win this, please go to the dollar store. Get a 2-pack 9-volt battery pack. Yeah, 2-pack 9-volt battery pack. Yeah, just get this shit right here. Okay? Change your battery. Cause although we hear your message, okay, this is not one person in particular. This is to a lot of subscriptions that I have on, you know, that I have subscribed to, and there's at least five or six of y'all muscuzzies that don't change your batteries at all. I'm telling you, okay? Go to the dollar store. Get yourself a battery, 9-volt, 1 or 2 pack, and change your battery. We hear your message, but that beeping sound is very distracting. Oh my gosh. I love you guys. This is Poetic Old Soul speaking. Peace.